So what inspired me to make such a move is that my boss, right, Douglas Corzang, is the CEO of Wise Construction. What really happened is that from this COVID, he always shares information with me, right, pertaining to COVID. So I will try to share with my friends and so forth. But seeing the danger of it and the importance of person getting vaccinated, I decided to contact my friends and so forth. And from there and so forth, I tried to convince them. Some of them shun me, some does not. And so far, it's a good look so far. There's no complaints so far from any person who have took the vaccine or anything, so it's a good one. One of the main reasons is that we had a friend, right? But what really happened, he went abroad. Everyone know that friend and he catch COVID and everything like that, and he shares his information with us and the feelings and so forth. Again, even my boss also shares information, so I tell them the importance of it. Some get afraid, some tell them not do it, because them not sell out them soul, because all the things them tell me. But the ones who is very interested are the ones who's, I think they're the one who's more, they're the wise ones. They're the wise ones, because when I look at it, they're the one who is also telling other people about it, and those other people are coming to me also, and you know, that's how I even reach the amount of person that I've reached right now. I will always try to do all the best I can, share all the information, because a safe family all start from the community. With the community not being safe, the family can't be safe, so it's all start from the community. Remember the days when it took a community to raise a child? This is where we want to bring it back to at this stage.